Pepe could be on the verge of a massive breakout. Billionaire hedge fund manager Tudor is warning about rising U.S. debt and predicting inflation, which has been pushing assets like Bitcoin higher. But as we know, the gains trickle down to meme coins, specifically Pepe. So if you have any interest in Pepe, or you hold any Pepe coins, then you need to see this. So what is the latest Pepe news? And how will all of this affect the value of Pepe? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the new price boosting information that has just come out about Pepe coin and how there is still a high possibility you could become a millionaire from Pepe. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss out on any price boosting information. Welcome to Crypto Hype, your daily dose of crypto. If you are interested in everything around crypto, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with cryptocurrency news. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Pepe is doing on the 23rd of October, shall we? Pepe's price today is around 960 units with 5 zeros. Pepe's price is down 4% in the last 24 hours with a 24-hour trading volume of $1 billion. The token also currently has a market cap of over $4 billion, ranking it as the 29th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video, and this content is not financial advice. So let's not waste any time and get into it. Before we get to Pepe news, we must cover the biggest news stories in the general crypto market first. Billionaire Tudor is long on gold, Bitcoin. Here's why. The US debt is reaching concerning levels, with many investors sounding the alarm. After the national debt surpassed the $35.77 trillion mark, investors fear the effects on the entire economy. One of them, Tudor, a billionaire hedge fund manager, predicts a likely outcome of the debt crisis. He expects rampant inflation, making assets like Bitcoin and gold even more attractive than now. US debt sparks fears of inflation. The US national debt, which recently crossed the $35.77 trillion mark, is sparking investor concerns. On Tuesday, October 22, billionaire investor Tudor stated that the current debt crisis can only end with massive inflation. As debt becomes a growing burden, the government can pressure the Federal Reserve to buy its bonds. This gives the government a way to service old debts and introduces more liquidity in the money supply. Tudor explains that this is something that governments have done for centuries. All roads lead to inflation. That's historically the way every civilization has got out. They've inflated away their debts, the billionaire explained. Why gold and Bitcoin are a hedge against inflation. Because of these inflation risks, Tudor argues that investors should hold commodities, including gold and Bitcoin. Gold has been a reliable hedge against inflation for centuries, while Bitcoin supporters believe the same thing for digital gold. The supply of both gold and Bitcoin is slowly increasing through mining, conventional, and crypto. However, the growth of this supply is slower than that of traditional currencies. This means that assets like gold and Bitcoin tend to increase in value with time, and investors turn to them when inflation is high. In specific countries where inflation is getting out of hand, people turned to Bitcoin. For instance, this happened in Turkey in 2023 when rampant inflation saw more people enter crypto. By May 2023, 52% of the people aged 18 to 60 invested in crypto. Most invested in Bitcoin. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. Also, keep watching to find out the latest Pepe coin news. Is a buy the dip opportunity on the cards for Pepe? After a decent price correction, the broader cryptocurrency market started recovering on the charts. Amid this, the popular meme coin Pepe formed a bullish price action pattern on its daily chart. In light of the price recovery and the aforementioned bullish pattern, one expert is suggesting there may be a buy the dip opportunity here. Expert hints at buying the dip opportunity. According to Investing Heaven's latest post on X, Pepe's price is now approaching a buy the dip level as it nears the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Based on the success rate, traders and investors often use the 50% retracement when building long positions or going long on an asset. Pepe technical analysis and key levels. According to AMB Crypto's technical analysis, Pepe is currently forming a symmetrical triangle price action pattern following its breakout from the descending trend line. However, Pepe reached a very narrow zone within the pattern, and there is a strong possibility of a breakout on either side soon. Based on the prevailing market sentiment, Pepe may be poised for an upside breakout. If this occurs and Pepe closes a daily candle above the 1,110 unit level, there is a strong possibility it could soar by 20% to hit the 1,320 unit level in the coming days. Here, it's worth pointing out that Pepe's relative strength index and 200-day exponential moving average hinted at a potential upside rally. Bullish Onchain metrics. Pepe's positive outlook can be further supported by on-chain metrics, as trader sentiment seemed quite bullish for the meme coin. According to the on-chain analytics firm CoinGlass, Pepe's long-short ratio, at press time, had a value of 1.039. A value above 1 indicates strong bullish sentiment among traders, a positive sign. Additionally, Pepe's futures open interest has started rising too. Over the past 24 hours, it rose by 4.3%, while it hiked by 2.3% in the last 4 hours. Simply put, traders have been building their positions as Pepe recovered on the charts. Major liquidation levels. Right now, the major liquidation levels are near 1,019 units on the lower side and 1,051 units on the upper side, with traders over-leveraged at these levels. If Pepe breaks out of the triangle pattern and hits the 1,051 units level, nearly $407,910 worth of short positions will be liquidated. Conversely, if it fails to do so and the price drops to 1,019 units, approximately 1.90 million worth of long positions will be liquidated. Combining all these on-chain metrics with technical analysis, it would appear that bulls are currently dominating the asset. They could trigger an upside rally in the coming days. Pepe volume skyrockets 51%, but there's a catch. Pepe, the frog-themed meme coin, is riding the broader bullish wave on the market today. Per data from CoinMarketCap, Pepe has rallied by 2.7% in 24 hours to 1,038 units. However, as of writing time, the token has reduced its rally over the week after pairing off its gain with a 0.9% slump. The contrasting outlook plunges Pepe into a very unique growth stance. Insight from Pepe's volume. On-chain data shows a massive uptick in Pepe's 24-hour trading volume. CoinMarketCap's data pegs this metric at $742.55 million, up by 51% within this period. With this bullish metric, it becomes evident that Pepe has generated a massive interest among investors overall. However, the major catch lies in its mildly sliding price growth. Despite the 24-hour surge, the token is down on the weekly front, a trend which, if sustained, might grow and trigger a reversal in the price of Pepe to add another zero. Other Pepe metrics do not promise to avert the former projection of a likely price drawdown. Pepe whales, for instance, have yet to buy the token. Into the block data shows this metric is down 16.44%, with only $42 million bought in 24 hours. This outlook, including the Pepe open interest shift, shows that one metric might need to properly describe or showcase what comes next for an asset, including Pepe. But this isn't the only big news in crypto recently. If you want to find out the best crypto to buy now, then click the video on screen now. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these 1,000x potential altcoins.